večkrat sva bila na odprti kuhinji. Všeč nam je, ker je veliko raznolike hrane.
Tako zelo nam je všeč ideja tako o tem nasplošno, tako pač ne vem, to, da spoznamo druge kulture in se ne rabimo iti v drugo državo, da lahko probamo kakšno njihovo hrano, tako tradicionalno. Pa tako.
Ja, najbolj nam je všeč indijska hrana.
The idea came up while spending some time at home on the weekend, hungry, realizing that I have to drive somewhere in order to get something quality to eat. And then we started to think, why not together different places from all around Slovenia to collect everything in one place where people can come to eat, to hang out, and also take food for the rest of the weekend. This is how the idea started, and then it developed to what it is today, slowly. The project is self-financed by our company, by our organization. No, we never ask for any kind of support because this project is supposed to be sustainable for everybody, for the organization, for the restaurant, for the city, and everybody should see the added value in it. And of course, for the tourists to enjoy and the visitors in the same time.
Vključili smo se zato, da predstavimo italijanske specialitete, ki jih sami delamo, se pravi, da ljudje spoznajo tudi italijansko kuhinjo, ki je zaenkrat na nobeni stojnici še ni za dobiti.
Že lansko leto obiskala odprto kuhinjo in sem zelo zadovoljna. Pač rada se združim s prijatelji in gremo skupaj na kakšno kosilo, kavico. Pa meni je v bistvu čisto v redu, da je v bistvu vsak petek ta odprta kuhinja, ker se mi zdi, da je petek res tisti fraj dan ali pa za združenje s prijatelji. Sicer bom tole prvič probala, tonkin brule, in upam, da bo v redu, no.
Pri meni je tole všeč, tale moj prijatelj ima svojo lokal klele, oziroma pa razstavni prostor, ne. To se pravi koroški jabolčni štrudlin z ocvirki, posebej narejeno. Ali pa, na primer, kloclavi z tepke v testu in to naprej. To so take stvari, ki je treba probati, ne.
Super ideja. Ja, ne vem, ne vem, vse dobro se bere. To je zdaj za velikonočno specialiteta. A res? A res? Ja, verjamem, to je super. Aha.
Predvsem smo šli v ta projekt Odprte kuhinje zaradi promocije naše gostilne, katera ima že tradicijo več kot 50 let. Ker pa so bili gostje tako navdušeni s pripravo naše domače slovenske hrane, smo se odločili, da bomo vztrajali še do nadaljnjega.
Ja, zdaj še nisem glih dost videl, drugače mislim, da lanskrat smo neki turško kuhinjo, rusko neki, pa ne vem, tudi neki slovenskih teh jedi, tako da smo kar neki smo probali, no vsega pa se pač ne da. Nisem z Ljubljane, pa nisem doskrat tle, ne. In pač pol ne moreš probati toliko stvari, ne. Je pa zelo pestra izbira, ne.
I'm from Holland, but I live in Italy. I live in Duino, next to Trieste. And it's not my first time in Ljubljana, but it is my first time in this market. And I am amazed. I love it because I like food. So I want to eat everything. Yeah. It's like that. I go around, I make a plan when I'm gonna eat what, and then my plan is to stay here all day. Yeah. I think the sweets, I see a lot of cakes. I'm not sure if they are really Slovenian, but they're very good.
So we would like to invite you, please, to come to Open Market, Odprta kuhna, Open Kitchen. Come, visit us, have a good time, eat, try new things from Slovenian cuisine, from all around the world. And I would also like to invite you on the 11th and 12th of April to our Pivo and Burger Fest. come to try different types of beers, local, international, craft beer, aside with different types of gourmet burgers. Come, enjoy. We are here to celebrate. Thank you.